Welcome to our Launching Your Affiliate Marketing Journey series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we will talk about our different rates on travel payouts and how you can earn. Today, I'm going to discuss the different rates Travel Payouts offers and how you can earn with our platform. We have two types of pricing models at Travel Payouts, CPA and CPC. CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. It means that you get paid when someone actually makes a purchase from your affiliate link. CPA is what most of the brands on our platform offer. Let's say a brand is offering a CPA of 10%. If someone who clicks on your affiliate link purchases a $500 product or service, you will earn $50. CPC stands for cost per click. When someone offers cost per click, it means that you earn on clicks, not sales. For example, let's say a brand offers 50% on click out. If someone goes to this brand's website from your affiliate link and their advertisers are paying them $1 per click, you will receive 50 cents every time your referral clicks a link. It is very tempting to immediately sign up for brands that have the highest commission rate. But don't judge a brand by its rates. Just because a brand has lower rates than other brands, it doesn't mean it will make you less money. It is all about your audience and what will resonate with them the most. So keep your audience in mind and experiment with multiple programs to maximize your earnings. Let's do a quick recap. Travel Payouts offers both CPA and CPC rates. It's important not to judge a brand just by its rates. Instead, keep your audience in mind and experiment. In the next tutorial, I'll be talking about topics that fit well with travel affiliate marketing. If you aren't sure if your project will work well, stay tuned, you might be surprised. Eager to find out? Why not start watching the next video now?